Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Trevor with Maker Experiment, and today I'm going to be making a custom sign for a fellow YouTuber. The YouTube channel I'm talking about is called The Crane Couple. They do videos about arcade games, and I thought their logo looked really cool, so I'm teaming up with them to make a custom sign of their logo. It's going to be made out of MDF, and then I'm going to be assembling it all together in the end. And they're going to be taking this sign and hanging it behind them in some of their videos for a nice backdrop. I've already got the design done. I'm going to go over to the laser, cut everything out, paint it, and then assemble it, and show you guys what that process is like. So let's get to it. The crane couple sign is now complete, and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So here is the sign. It's got two different colors in the foreground of the logo. And the trickiest part in this logo has got to be this circle that has the heart in the middle. So there's a little trick to be able to put those in and still get the boundary piece out. And if you're watching the video, you'll see that there are screws in that spot. And those help pull the piece out without affecting the part that I glued down. This is a little trick that I've been using for a while for smaller pieces that are a little bit trickier to handle. And I hope you enjoyed watching the process of how I make my signs. If you like what you saw, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what your favorite arcade game is. Since this video is a collaboration with them, I want to encourage you guys to go over to their channel, check them out. I will link their channel below. And check out my Instagram where I post videos and pictures of projects way ahead of time. You can follow me at Maker Experiment. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.